Have you ever felt a deep sense of peace while walking through a forest or watching the waves crash on a quiet shore? It's not just in your mind. Nature has an extraordinary power to heal and transform us. But do natural environments truly enhance our well-being? In this video, we're diving into the profound connection between nature and our mental, emotional, and physical health. Stay with us, because by the end, you'll understand why reconnecting with nature might be the key to unlocking a more balanced, joyful life. Science has uncovered fascinating insights into how nature impacts our well-being. Studies reveal that spending just 20 minutes in a natural environment can significantly lower stress hormone levels. Green spaces are known to reduce anxiety, enhance focus, and even improve memory. This phenomenon is called biophilia, our innate love for nature. Experts believe that exposure to natural environments can help recalibrate our nervous system. In a world dominated by screens and urban chaos, nature offers a sanctuary for our overloaded minds. Beyond the science, there's something deeply emotional about nature. Have you ever felt awe staring at a vast mountain range? Or peace while lying under a starry sky? Nature reminds us of something bigger than ourselves, a connection to the world that's both grounding and uplifting. This connection fosters gratitude, self-awareness, and even creativity. It's no wonder poets and artists so often turn to nature for inspiration. But you don't need to travel to a remote mountain to experience the benefits of nature. Simple, intentional actions can bring nature into your daily life. Here are 3 ways to get started. Try earthing. Walk barefoot on natural surfaces like grass or sand to ground yourself. Bring nature indoors. Add plants to your home or workspace to create a calming atmosphere. Take short walks. Spend time in local parks. Even a few minutes can refresh your mind. Connecting with nature isn't just about enjoying the outdoors, it's about nurturing yourself. Spending time in natural spaces reminds us to slow down, breathe deeply, and be present. These moments of mindfulness foster self-love and a deeper appreciation for life. When you care for yourself, you're better equipped to care for the world around you. And nature is the perfect partner on this journey. So, what are you waiting for? Step outside, take a breath of fresh air. Let nature heal you. The world is your sanctuary. Embrace it, and let it transform you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content on motivation, meditation, and self-love. Together, let's create a more peaceful, inspired world.